Hey everyone, it's Emmanuel here. I'm just at the Fight Club. Just getting ready to do a little blind bail shooting. For those of you who don't know what that is, it's essentially you get very, very close to a target, like a meter away or something, a couple of meters away. I remove my sight right off my bow, so I have nothing to look at, so there's no focus on a target or there's no aiming involved. Essentially, you just get real close. Draw back like you normally draw back. I keep my eyes open, and then as I get to my anchor, I close my eyes. And you're essentially so close you can't miss the target now anyway, so you don't have to worry about those things. But you get back to your anchor and you just start to feel what happens on the back half of the body. So usually in archery we're so focused on what's happening at the target or down that way, but most of the problems exist on the back half, which is, you know, everything like release or posture or any leaning. So it allows you to take any attention off of what's happening downrange and put all the attention onto yourself, which is a good thing, right? You get the chance to see that. And I do it weekly, some people do it monthly. It depends on yourself. I mean, how you feel. If you feel, you know, you're anticipating the shot, or you feel like you're jumpy, or you got a target panic going on, this stuff's really good for curing that. It just calms you down. You don't have to worry about aiming, and you just pull through your shot and look for a smooth execution. I'll let you see me take a few shots now, but it really is quite that simple, and it can be done with recurve archers as well as compound archers. It's usually known as blind bail shooting. You just get real close and close your eyes and take a shot and see how it feels, okay? Watch me shoot a little bit. There we go. For myself, I was working a little bit more on not so much timing or so much, I want to get rid of this little rotation that sometimes I have in my release hand. I like just what I'm trying to get to now is getting to an anchor point on my face and then relaxing my hand and pulling through the shot so that I'm using mostly my back muscles. And I just find there's a lot of different ways to manipulate a release, but consistently is difficult to do it the same way from day to day. So what I try to do is get back to an anchor point and then get my hand comfortable in the same spot and then just pull with all my arm backwards in a straight line. I find that it sends the string the straightest as well. So I hope you enjoyed blind bail shooting. Take care. Hope it helps.